Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome back to the Mr. English Touch podcast. I'm your host, Emma, and as always, thank you for tuning in to another exciting episode where we help you learn English through real-life conversations. Today, we're diving into one of the most relatable experiences, your first day at work. Whether you've just started a new job or are preparing for your first professional experience in an English-speaking environment, this lesson will give you everything you need to speak naturally and confidently from day one. So grab your notebook, relax, and get ready. We're going to break down a simple yet powerful dialogue that's full of practical expressions, useful grammar, and cultural tips. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only understand what people say on their first day at work, but you'll also know how to respond naturally in English. Part 1. The dialogue. Let's begin with the conversation between Michael and Anna. Michael is new at the company, and Anna is helping him get started.
Hi, you must be Michael. Welcome.
Hi. Yes, I'm Michael. It's my first day.
It's nice to meet you. I'm Anna. I'll help you today.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. Thank you.
No problem. How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. A little nervous, but excited.
That's normal. Don't worry. It's easy here.
I hope so. Where do I start?
First, let's go to your desk. I'll show you.
Okay, great.
Yes, I can. Like this?
Yes, perfect. Do you have any questions?
Not yet, but maybe later.
Of course. Just ask me or anyone. Everyone is very kind.
I do. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Let's start with this.
Part 2. Breaking down the dialogue. Now, let's explore each part in detail. These small details will help you understand how to sound natural, polite, and confident in English conversations at work. Hi, you must be Michael. Welcome. This line is polite, friendly, and professional. The phrase, you must be, is a great way to confirm someone's identity when you're fairly sure who they are. It sounds more polite than directly asking, are you Michael? Example, you must be Sarah, our new intern. Oh, you must be the new manager. Welcome aboard. The tone is important. A warm smile and a friendly welcome make the person feel comfortable and valued. This is something you can use not only at work, but in any social situation when meeting someone new. 2. Hi. Yes, I'm Michael. It's my first day. This is a perfect, clear response. Notice how Michael confirms and then adds context. It's my first day. That one sentence immediately explains why he might need extra help or guidance. You can use similar phrases. Yes, I'm new here. It's my first day at the company. I just started today. These expressions show openness and honesty, which helps others treat you kindly and offer support. It's nice to meet you. I'm Anna. I'll help you today. Anna does 3 things here. Greets Michael politely, introduces herself, offers help. You can say, it's nice to meet you. I'll be showing you around today. I'll help you get started. This combination makes a perfect first impression. It's polite, warm, and professional. Nice to meet you too, Anna. Thank you. Michael's reply shows good manners and emotional intelligence. When someone says, "Nice to meet you," it's polite to respond with, "Nice to meet you too." Adding a simple, "Thank you," makes the exchange even more positive. In English-speaking cultures, gratitude is very important, even for small things. Try, "Nice to meet you too. Thanks for helping me today. I really appreciate your help." 5. No problem. How are you doing? Anna's phrase, "no problem," means "you're welcome" in a casual, friendly way. Then she adds, "How are you doing?" a standard, polite question to make small talk. You can also say, "How's your first day going so far? How are you feeling about the new job?" These little questions help build connection and make the other person feel comfortable. 6. I'm good, thanks. A little nervous, but excited. Michael gives an honest answer, and that's great. It's completely normal to feel nervous, but excited on your first day. Sharing that shows you're human and helps people relate to you. Other versions, I'm a bit nervous, but looking forward to it. Feeling good, just getting used to everything. When you express yourself honestly, you make genuine connections with people at work. 7. That's normal. Don't worry, it's easy here. Anna comforts Michael. She validates his feelings. Saying, "That's normal," shows understanding. Don't worry. And "it's easy here" help reduce stress and make Michael feel more at ease. You can use similar supportive phrases. You'll get used to it quickly. Everyone feels that way on the first day. It's easier than you think. These are great phrases for managers, team leaders, or anyone welcoming new people. 8. I hope so. Where do I start? Michael's response shows motivation and readiness. The phrase, "I hope so," expresses optimism. It's polite and humble. Then he asks, "Where do I start?" Simple, direct, and professional. Alternatives. So, what should I do first? Where do you want me to begin? Asking clear questions like this shows initiative. 9. First, let's go to your desk. I'll show you. Anna uses let's, short for let us, to make a friendly suggestion. She keeps instructions clear and short. You can say, "Let's start with a quick tour. Let's set up your computer first." When giving instructions, clarity and tone matter more than vocabulary. 10. Okay, great. Simple but powerful. Michael's positive attitude keeps the conversation smooth. Variations. Sounds good. Perfect. Thank you. Positive responses build good rapport. Number 11. Here's your computer. Can you turn it on? A common workplace instruction. The phrasal verb turn on means activate or start something, like a device. Related phrases are, "Can you log in?" "Can you open that file?" Understanding phrasal verbs like turn on, log in, set up is essential for office English fluency. 12. Yes, I can. Like this? Michael checks if he's doing it correctly. The phrase, like this, is great for confirming understanding. You can say, is this correct? Like that? These help avoid mistakes politely. 13. Yes, perfect. Do you have any questions? Anna gives positive feedback. Yes, perfect. Then she encourages communication by asking, do you have any questions? Other ways to say this. Is everything clear so far? Anything you're unsure about? This creates a safe and open learning environment. 14. Not yet, but maybe later. Michael's response is polite and realistic. He doesn't have questions now, but might later, showing thoughtfulness. Not right now, but I'll let you know. Maybe once I start working, I'll have some. 15. Of course, just ask me or anyone. 16. Everyone is very kind. Michael gives positive feedback, showing gratitude and friendliness. You can also say, everyone's been really welcoming. People here are so nice. This builds great first impressions. 17. We try. We want you to feel good here. Anna expresses company culture. Kind, supportive, inclusive. This line is great for leaders who want to make newcomers feel safe and valued. Similar expressions. We always help each other here. We're happy to have you with us. 18. I do. Thank you for your help. Michael expresses appreciation. Simple but sincere. Gratitude is key in workplace English. Thanks. I really appreciate your help. I'm grateful for your support. 19. You're welcome. Let's start with this. The perfect closing. Friendly, positive, and action-focused. It shows teamwork and readiness to begin. You can also say, you're welcome. Let's get started. No problem. Let's begin here. Part 3. Key phrases recap. Let's review some essential phrases you can use on your first day. You must be name. Welcome. It's nice to meet you. I'll help you today. How are you doing? I'm a little nervous, but excited. That's normal. Don't worry. Where do I start? Do you have any questions? Just ask me or anyone. Everyone is very kind. These expressions are universal and will help you in any English-speaking workplace. Part 4. Practice section. Now it's your turn to practice. I'll say Anna's lines. You say Michael's lines out loud. Ready? Let's begin.
Hi, you must be Michael. Welcome. It's nice to meet you. I'm Anna. I'll help you today. No problem. How are you doing? That's normal. Don't worry. It's easy here. Great job. Practicing dialogues like this will make your English sound natural and help you feel confident at work. Part 5. Final thoughts. Your first day at work can be exciting and a bit stressful, but remember, communication is your best tool. Even simple phrases can make a big difference in how others see you. Be polite, be confident, smile, and listen actively. Don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them. What matters most is your willingness to learn, communicate, and grow. So keep practicing these expressions. Repeat this episode and try using what you learned in real life. Step by step, your English will become smoother and more natural. That's all for today's episode of Mr. English Touch. We hope this podcast helped you feel more prepared for your first day at work in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends who are learning English, and comment below. I'm ready for my first day. Your engagement helps this community grow and motivates us to keep creating free, helpful lessons for you. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning English with confidence. Goodbye for now.